Hello everyone, welcome to Swhizz Technologies, and I am Santosh. I will be teaching you the JavaScript in detail, and right now in this video we will learn about what is JavaScript and importance of the JavaScript in a brief view. Okay, so coming to JavaScript, we all know JavaScript is a programming language which is like given a trending, like a revolution for the web browsing. So you take any browser in the world which are using like any web browsers or any any web browsers or any applications in the front end point of view, everything we are using the JavaScript as a base. So JavaScript, I can say learning JavaScript as a main evergreen solution for both front end and back end developers. As back end we can learn Java or PHP or else any other technologies, but in the front end we have only the JavaScript, and apart from JavaScript we have so many frameworks which we'll learn in detail in the further sessions. So as I said you before, JavaScript is got a revolution overall the web development in the world, and also it used for journey, and basically JavaScript has become as an heart of web technologies. So whoever is doing web development or front-end developer, or else who is planning to learn web development, everything, JavaScript is the main and core important. Without JavaScript you can't do anything in the web technologies. So coming to main core concepts here in the JavaScript, they are mostly, we will learn about the basic core concepts like variables, functions, objects, arrays, and what are the building blocks, and what is the importance of means like a few programming languages like loops or else conditional statements. Everything we will learn about detail in the JavaScript syntax. Okay, so next we have, as I said you right before in the starting introduction slide, that is in JavaScript we can use many frameworks. In that we have Angular, React, Vue, Backbone.js or Ember.js. So right now here the main and trending technologies, like the trending experience is React we are using. Angular is an old one which is created by Google, React is created by Meta, and Vue is created by other Meta company. So here these are the few different frameworks which are created by different companies, but the present everyone user interface, best user experience, and also easy to code and have greater communities React compared to other technologies. So here you will learn about the synchronous programming and asynchronous programming. Like for example, let's assume you're getting a Gmail, you're using, everyone is using Gmail, right? So in Gmail you will have inbox, outbox, important messages, emails, or like a start or bin emails, everything you can see when you click on each tabs, right? How you are seeing it. So once you click on the tab, that tab will call and request API to the backend, where it will fetch the data and it will show you to the front end. These are the mails of the inbox, these are the mails, start mails, and these are the outbox mails, and these are the draft mails. So that is how, means if you have 1,000, let's assume we have 1,000 or 10,000 mails you will have, right, which we are not using. So at that time you can see where to collecting all the 10,000 mails at a time, it takes time for the browser to show it to you. So in the meantime you will think of it as like it's taking time, or as the network issue, or as the application issue. So to rectify those and to work on the further functions, we will use a synchronous flow which is called asynchronous. So sometimes you are using the starting operations here and it's working on data and you will get the response. That is how the synchronous flow will happen. I will tell you in detail in the further classes what is synchronous and asynchronous and what are the operations we will use in that. So as I said you right, in JavaScript not only the like a backend or front end, like we will use everything like how we are using the data coming from the database, and we can show data anyway. For example, like let's take a previous example like mail only. You have n number of mails, inbox we have and outbox also you have, but you will have a case like important messages which you'll flag it or keep a star mark. So those will be data will be kept here directly in the outbox mail, but you will show it in the inbox, means start separately compared to the other. Why? Because that is called data manipulation, which is array manipulation or data fetching or object iteration, everything like shadowing object or deep shallow phasing, everything we will show it in the in the JavaScript. With the help of JavaScript language, we can show it in the UI part, apart from backend, which we are using Node.js. So we can say JavaScript is hereby I'm concluding like a JavaScript is versatile, means it's like a water, where if you, for example, if you keep water in a glass, it will take a shape of glass. If you keep it in bowl, it will take a bowl. Same like that, JavaScript, it is in both, we can use it in a front end and back end technologies, and we can use it as a complete full stack, where it will be a base, complete foundational base for the web development structure. So I hope you got a clarity in everything what is JavaScript and basic introduction of it. Thank you.